Alright, so first up on Prof's Pokemon pulls here, the actual pulls, we have Amazon warehouse returns. Let's get you guys a closelier up. So this is an Elite trainer box. Looks like the fancy Charizard. I forget. Megazard. Wrapper's broken. It's always a good start, right? At least you can see the inside of here now because somebody broke it. That just normally slides off, by the way. Card thingamabob, or a booklet. Then we have our thing. Now, one thing that I noticed right away, that sounds like loose cards to me. We'll see. This box is beaten up too. So on the one side, we have, these guys are still in here, our splitters. They've seen better days though, they've beaten up. Then you're supposed to have, I love how it says inspected, 10 boosters, 45 energy cards, 65 card sleeves. I don't see those in here. Yeah. I don't know why these are just in here. Here. Let's see. They are all pretty much commons. Or energies. The energy pack in here, surprisingly not touched at all. Well, not unsurprisingly if they're trying to. The booklet in the middle and the coins and dice are not touched. Be sorry with our 10 boosters, however. You can see that is bent back and torn up. So oh, hey, look, they're all cut open on the bottom. What do you know? Like, really? It's hard enough to get good cards. Like, to get cards. Especially these Elite Trainer boxes. Like, why you gotta pull this shit, people? We're supposed to have 10 packs. There are 8 packs in here. So, yeah. And it is pretty common for Elite Trainer boxes to have 8 packs. But this one is supposed to have 10. So when they repacked it, they couldn't even get that right. Might as well see what's in them, since we're going to have to send them back to Amazon. You know what I mean? Let's see here. Linoon, Weedle, Inkay, Hatenna, Trubbish, Energy, Roombike, Sonia, Great Ball. Looks like they just, once again, repacked it with commons. And no hollows. Some of these, they at least put hollows in there. I mean, they put craptacular low-end ones. But, Inkay, Nickit, Hatenna, Sizzlepede, Nickit, Energy, Kabu, BD, Truffle Stadium, and the online card, which I'm sure has already been used. Wow, some of these are not even cut open on the bottom, they're just like torn open. This one doesn't feel like it's enough cards either. Rock, Rough, Hatana, Trubbish, Nickit, and Chop, Energy, Room Phone. Don't want you guys seeing those. So yeah, don't be, I mean, it's more of the same. Do I even show these to you guys anymore? Just to see how fucking bullshit people are? Like, think about this. You have a hard enough time getting an Elite Trainer box if you can. And these guys open them up, repack them with garbage, and then send them back to Amazon as if they were supposed to be that way. You know? That's some bullshit if I ever have seen it. Full Heal, Rock Ruff, Zigzagging, Weedle, Sizzle Pea, Energy, Hop, Arbok, Sharpedo, like... Think about this. That's what people are doing, is they're buying these and unboxing them. And, like, I've seen people try to return them, or heard of people trying to return them, because they didn't get good pulls or something like that. These people aren't doing that. They're just taking the good stuff out and then repacking it with garbage. Like, how scummy is that? Yeah, and there's no way. So far, the amount of dupes that we've had, like, at least one of them was trying to, like, he would repack it like the way that it should be, just with all commons, and, like really low-end rares to make it look at least somewhat reasonable. Whereas this person, like, only one did they even cut the bottom off of. Most of these are just opened. I guess that looks more legit than the bottom being cut off. Yeah, they haven't even bothered to try, like, and you gotta think about this, they're doing this pretty regularly if they have that many commons to repack. At least I would think. Maybe I'm wrong there. Well, this is gonna get repacked and sent back to Amazon. Are you guys just, by the end of these Amazon warehouse deals, just sometimes, like with the decks, they seem to never be open, which is good. I get a good deal on them, and or can't get ones I can't just buy. Other times, however, yeah, you get this. Anything with boosters seems to be this. And it's like, I know people who would spend full price on one of, like, the $50 or whatever it is for one of these Elite Trainer boxes, if not more, to open it. You know, and these people are actually getting their hands on them, opening them, repacking them, and sending them back. And there's not enough cards to go around in the first place. That's just, you know, dick move. Well, on this disappointing conclusion, we'll see you in the next video. Let's do another tin. I'm feeling like a tin. I got one over there that we can crack open. And maybe we'll do 2 decks as well. So it's gonna be the Cinder, the Fire Bunny tin that we'll be opening next here. Over on the small griller pod. So stop back, check her out, and best not be as disappointing as this was.